325,000 square foot build out in a very short amount of time.
We're very, very proud of it. You'll agree that it's an absolutely beautiful addition to the city.
1,400,000 square feet of office space, the manpower requirements would be huge.
We are looking for the highest quality craftsmanship that we can get.
Consistent skill, flexible manpower, reliable productivity,
Here, A is
state-of-the-art training. The business of interior systems construction is tight margins and tough schedules. But today's interior systems industry knows that union carpenters are right on the money. From drawings to delivery, today's union carpenters have the skills to bring every job in as planned.
We've got lots of things going on, lots of different floors, lots of different activities. They've met every challenge. They've done a very good job for us.
I only estimate the job to do it once, so we need to have people that can do it correctly the first time and do it one time only.
Ceiling's okay?
As long as I know that I can get the qualified people to come to the job, then I can bid the job accordingly.
And the restructured UBC is ready to deliver that reliable workforce wherever and whenever you need it.
We do mostly tenant fit-out work. I can pick up the phone anytime and call Sean and say, Sean, in the next 4 weeks, I'm gonna need 80 guys. And I will get qualified men.
And they get the manpower that they need because we can draw from a much bigger pool without the boundaries and limitations that used to be.
We've peaked at approximately 350 tradesmen and women on the job. The depth of the quality of the workmen allowed us to continue at our accelerated pace without having to suffer due to shortages.
But construction isn't bodies, it's brains, experience, attitude. Union carpenters know that good work today means more work tomorrow.
Productivity is key, and it doesn't matter what you're paying an hour. If you're not getting the productivity that you need or that you figured in your estimate, you're not going to be profitable.
Attitude, production, skill, all that's very important in our organization. When you're stepping foot on this project, you've got to have the mindset that you're there to put in an 8-hour day for an 8-hour pay.
Owners and contractors can count on UBC carpenters for great skills and hard work. That's because union carpenters are serious about their trade. And today's UBC is serious about training. More than $100 million every year.
I mean, if we're going to go out and say that we are the best, we had better be the best, because we have to be able to meet the demands of the industry.
What do we need to start with as far as layout goes?
Owners and contractors demand the best. That's why UBC Interior Systems Training drives home the message about working smart and being productive.
The Skill Advancement Program opens the door to learning additional new tasks that a carpenter needs to maintain productivity on the job site that's required and needed by the general contractor.
The carpenters work very closely with manufacturers, so they're able to provide us with exposure to various techniques and materials that we wouldn't otherwise have the opportunity to be exposed to.
Along with productivity, UBC training for apprentices and journeymen also emphasizes safety as a top priority on the job site.
Safety and productivity are not two separate things, they go together. And we need that. And the customers are demanding it today.
Insurance is just outrageous. Every accident costs money. We preach safety. All of our apprentices for the first year receive safety training. And they get their OSHA 10, scaffold users, ergonomics.
The carpenters that we see on our projects usually come to us with a better understanding of what the safety requirements are than some of the other trades.
And along with safety and skills, we develop job site leaders too, with programs for stewards, foremen, and superintendents.
As contractors, we're always looking for the bright ones in that group, and those typically end up being our foremen and future superintendents. We need that attitude.
Productivity, quality, consistency. From our apprentices to superintendents, union carpenters are delivering results for the interior systems industry.
It's a tri-fold type of partnership. Union contractor will do the work for that tenant and the owner, meet the schedules when that tenant needs to come in at a certain time, and with our skilled carpenters, they can do that.
The union carpenters are more efficient. They not only the quality, but they get the work done faster. Quality, budget, time, schedule, all those critical things you need a workforce like the carpenters.
Girding Eatland's been fortunate to work with the Carpenters Union and receiving competitive pricing, great cooperation, and the highest professionalism in their work.
I couldn't imagine that we could complete the type of complex projects that we do without the trained tradesmen that we get from the Carpenter Union.
The results of the project speak for themselves. We've sold out all the for-sale residential units, leased up 85% of our office use, and the retail we can't keep it on the market.
Union results do speak for themselves, delivering finished space on time and done right. Because union carpenters are right, on the money.